So I just came back from being outside in this blizzard of 2016. New York City is supposed to be having, I think, 20 inches of snow. And I just went outside. Right now it is 12:34 in the afternoon, and it's really bad out. But I just went out with my little brothers to play in the snow, and this is the footage that you're gonna see. So enjoy.
They love it! I wish I was as brave as them. There's no buses.
No.
I can't get home. I gotta stay in my place now.
There you go. Better shut you off.
This moron. Don't throw snow at me. Mac. Ah! I made you fall down. Ugh. So I apologize for the dots that were on the screen. Those were snowflakes. It was impossible to see them in the storm this morning. That was taken, like I said, at about 11:30 or so. Right now it's 4 o'clock. And it's still really bad out. The MTA shut down. So for those of you who aren't from New York, the MTA is our mass transit. Half of the subway lines are running. If you live in the Bronx or Brooklyn or Queens, you're pretty much screwed. Either way, that's it for this video. Maybe I'll make some more of these. Who knows?